let me hide this so that you can see the other version of our market bag for the holidays is the autumn rainbow bag. So this one, again, it's NORO Mirai. It uses only one ball, so the yardage is really generous. And it has these like gorgeous deep brown autumn leaves and rust and gold colors in it. And it has faux tortoiseshell handles to come with it. And then where are the bags? They also come with the handmade rainbow bags in these gorgeous neutral colors. So it's kind of like a grown-up version of the rainbow, which I love. And so this one has like a fun little charm on it. But again, each one is different. They're handmade. So you can, I guarantee you, because I have road tested these bags, that when you are out and about, people are going to say, where did you get that bag? Where on earth? And it's so perfect. Like, it's really roomy, holds what you need. It's super fun and addictive to